This office is designed with bright and vibrant colors, modern furniture, and playful decor which gives a youthful and energetic vibe and also creates a fun and relaxing atmosphere where employees feel comfortable and at ease like home. The office layout includes open spaces for collaboration and brainstorming, as well as cozy nooks for quiet work or relaxation. Along with table games and sports, beanbag chairs, hammocks, and lounge areas can provide a comfortable and playful environment for employees to unwind and socialize. The mezzanine level has an interesting passage-like work area created with a high table and high chair overlooking double-height office areas. It also has collaborative conference rooms with a spacious conference table and comfortable sofa, creating an inviting and functional space for productive meetings and discussions. Multi-use furniture, reception table that can be converted into a bar on wheels. This clever design allows the table to serve as a traditional reception area during the day, and then be transformed into a mobile bar for evening events or parties. A long Pac-Man table that can be divided into two parts. This design allows the table to serve as a single, long surface for large gatherings or meetings, and then be split into two separate tables for working individually. Effectively flexible to meet teams' working requirements. Multi-use space, a set of stairs that can be transformed into an amphitheater, seating area, or gathering place, reconfiguring into a versatile space for events, performances, or socializing. By incorporating these multi-use elements into the design of furniture and spaces leads to optimization for a variety of activities and functions, making them more practical and efficient. The seamless epoxy flooring not only provides a sleek and durable surface but also serves as a canvas for the subtle color palette chosen. The interiors exude a calming ambience with muted tones that promote focus and productivity. The combination of private and social spaces encourages diversity and inclusivity in the workplace, creating a sense of belonging.